Hi, I'm Ariana Mantis San Luis, and I'm the founder, CEO, and creative director of Clutch Flame.
Yay! Welcome, welcome!
Welcome natin mga boss.
Woohoo!
Hello.
Okay, so for those who are new here at hindi pa nila naririnig ang Clutch Flame, what is Clutch Flame and who do you sell it to?
Okay, so Clutch Flame is a proudly local Filipino beauty brand. We sell makeup and skincare, and then recently we have the Skin Spritz. It's a body and hair fragrance mist.
Sobrang ganda.
Yes, super like nakaka-fresh. Very summer yung branding ni Clutch Flame because it's kind of like our nod to the tropical country that we love, which is
That's
the
true.
Philippines. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Pero bago ka pa nag-business, or yung Clutch Flame, it feels like it's an original word or term. Saan nanggaling ba yun?
Yeah, actually, I get this question a lot.
Sobrang unique.
Oo,
as
as
in,
in, nakita ko.
It's so funny because like sometimes people would ask me, is that the French word?
right.
Diba? But Clutch Flame, it used to be a play on my name. So when I was in high school, I would write for the school newspaper.
Okay.
So ganyan. Syempre when you're a teenager, very angsty, dami mong feelings.
That's true.
So I would write poetry, ganyan. But then I didn't want my friends to know that it was me.
Oh, so nobody knew.
Yeah.
Ikaw lang.
At first.
Okay.
At first, no one knew. So ako lang. So I hid under the name Clutch Flame. Clutch Flame, it means my real name is Isabella Amante. So Clutch is like the bell-shaped jar
okay.
that you used to cover candles
Right.
and food, diba?
Ay, okay.
Pag nagsaserve ng food,
Yung
diba?
pag ganon.
Oo, yung pag
Ayan.
ganon, yan. And then Flame, it's connected siya with my maiden last name, Amante. Amante in Spanish is lover, actually querida. So
I didn't know that.
fun fact. so what I did was lover, spark, flame, ganyan. So it was really just a play on my name. And then eventually I started writing my blog. I named it Clutch Flame.
Okay.
So wala na, everyone knew about it.
right.
So that's how I came up with Clutch Flame. Very personal.
So na-experience mo ba na nung nalaman na nila may tumawag sa'yo? Flash flame?
Actually, yes, they would
Meron?
call me CF.
CF.
Yes,
Yeah,
CF.
yeah.
And then, back then, di ba, uso Tumblr,
Yeah.
Twitter.
Yeah.
My username was Clutch Flame.
Oh, pero ngayon, hindi na.
Hindi na.
Hindi na.
It's my real name. Even our Instagram, the Clutch Flame Instagram,
It was yours?
my dump account.
Oh, ang galing.
So when I hired the social media manager, I had to delete everything. As in,
Nandun lahat ng
isa ko siya.
secrets niya.
Yes.
Pero curious lang ako, Arian, ano bang mga sinusulat mo dun sa blog or that you're doing as Clutch Flame?
Yeah, when I started writing the blog, it was really more of like an online journal, an extension of my journal, because I loved writing talaga ever
Right.
since. And then eventually, I started gaining readers, ganyan. So parang I would start to recommend stuff to them. So it would be like music, art, books, everything and
Galing.
anything that I like.
Okay.
So talagang you were into arts. No?
Yes.
Looks like, yeah.
Yeah. So back then pa, ganun na talaga. And then recommend lang, very me pa rin.
Mhm.
And then, nung college na, yun na, I started writing about beauty.
Okay.
Yes. And doon na parang feeling ko, doon na nag-start lahat.
Doon nag-start yung
Yeah.
love mo for beauty.
Yeah.
So, bago ka pa na-obsess, how did you realize that, or ano yung spark? Ano yung flame? Ay, ano yung flame na na-feel mo na bakit ka papunta sa beauty? Like, what sparked that interest from
Right.
recommendations ng art?
Yeah.
And then, na-realize mo na parang, okay, this is me and beauty already.
I think even when I was younger, I was already obsessed with makeup. To the point whenever my mom would put on makeup, hintayin ko siya matapos. Then she would go to work, diba, after. Make sure ko nakalabas na yung car sa gate. And then I would go through her makeup. Ako na yung gagamit. So yun, very, very early on pa lang, alam ko na I wanted
Hilig mo talaga.
Yeah, hilig ko na talaga. But then I think the main reason why I really wanted to have my own beauty brand, because before I was very insecure.
Oh.
Yes.
Why?
I was very insecure. Kasi back then, people weren't so woke. Di
Yeah.
ba, pag morena ka back then, oh my God, ang itim niya. Or like,
Right.
parang,
Very,
You-
yung
I
very
didn't fit
common.
into ideal beauty standards back then. But now it's more, diba?
It's a lot more accepted.
Yeah,
I
it's
feel.
People
And
talagang
really-
na-appreciate na ngayon yung Morena beauty.
Yes,
Really, totoo.
honestly,
That's
when I
true.
go through
Yeah.
TikTok and like everyone's like about Morena beauty, parang, oh my gosh, if only my younger self could see that right now, magugulat talaga siya.
That's true.
Yes.
Hindi, I mean, kanina, pagpasok niya, iba yung glow.
Yes.
So, iba, hindi, that's true. Iba talaga.
Only
Parang-
Klosh Flame touches my skin.
Oh, diba? at dahil dyan, what does Klosh Flame mean to you now? Like, now that it's technically a product,
Yeah.
ano na yung meaning niya sa'yo?
So yeah, I mentioned, diba, I was very insecure. So right now, the meaning of Klosh Flame, it changed na rin. It evolved na rin with me.
Uh-huh.
So now it means protecting and embracing your spark.
Oh,
Diba? The
so
cover.
nice.
The
Yeah.
cover. So yun.
Oh, yeah.
Parang ano lang yan,
my God.
Diba?
Confidently
Grabe,
beautiful
very-
with a heart.
Oh, yeah.
Pang Miss Universe, di ba?
Correct. Hindi, tsaka, yung yung mismong yung pag-symbolize niya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Protecting your
Yeah.
spark.
Kasi back then, parang I just, I want to listen to everyone else na, oh, you have to lighten your skin, you have to
That's true.
straighten your hair. I have
Uh-huh.
like naturally wavy hair. And then,
Ganda nga eh.
before, di ba, kailangan talagang rebond yan. Todo,
Correct.
i-rebond,
Diretsong-diretso.
diretso, ganyan. So now, parang, it's my love letter to myself and also to the younger generation of women na, you have to embrace who you really are and not entirely change it.
Yeah.
Diba?
I love it.
I agree. So, let's talk about naman, how did you get your entrepreneurial skills? Very
Ooh.
curious lang ako eh. When did it start? Like, meron bang natutunan mo ba to sa dad mo or sa mom mo? Is it
Yeah.
is it really does it run in
In the
blood?
family,
Yeah, in the
yeah.
family.
I think it runs in the family. Kasi
Right.
my dad is a businessman all his life.
Ah.
So he never had like a corporate background
Mhm.
versus like my mom who's like very corporate. When I was younger, sinasabi nila mahilig na ako magbenta ng kung ano-ano.
Mhm.
So if may garage sale,
Yeah.
I'm like the person to be. I'm like the
Ikaw
point
yung
person.
taga-benta.
Yes, lahat ng systems, everything. Ako
I
lahat.
see. If you don't mind me asking, ano ba yung business before?
Oh, before my dad had like a family business of like ceramics, and then he had his own business naman of corrugated boxes.
Oh.
So very hindi beauty.
Galing, ah.
Oh,
Very
malayo.
malayo. And then dun sa ceramics also when when we were closing it down na,
Uh-huh.
may mga extra ceramics kami doon na pwede namin kunin for
Mhm.
display for our
Yeah.
own houses or like gift to other people. What I did was, binenta ko siya sa classmates ko.
Matalino.
Yes.
Alam niya kung
Back
saan
in,
niya kukuha.
back in grade
Yes.
school.
School?
Oh,
Yes.
grade
I mean, pa-high school na. Sige,
Pa-high
grade
school.
6, ganyan.
Yeah, but very, very early.
Yes. Ang ginawa ko, kasi it was very plain. Plain white lang siya na ceramic. So what I did was, I painted it.
Mhm.
And then, I would sell it to my classmates. Sabi ko, oh, that's one of a kind, ha?
Yeah.
Walang
Limited
ibang
edition.
ganyan. And then, my dad would tease me. Sabi niya, alam mo, ikaw lang kilala kong business owner, walang kapital. Tapos sabi ko, at least I'm smart. Diba?
Tama naman. Pero dun nagsa-start. Pero ano yung natutunan mo from that experience? Like, you becoming a very young entrepreneur at that,
Mhm.
and then what lessons did you get from it?
Just being yourself, your most authentic self. Because I wasn't really trying to be like something else,
Yeah.
diba? I was young. I didn't not know anything. Parang it's more of like just unleashing my creativity
Uh-uh.
and like finding ways to earn money.
Yeah.
Syempre, when you're young, diba, you're not earning money, you just want extra lang for like your baon or for recess, ganyan.
Yeah.
So now, it's really more of like, I think I said this before, that running a business or being a business owner, not a lot of people realize that it's very creative.
Mhm.
That's true.
There's a lot of creativity that comes with it. It's not just about like business or like the finance side, which is very important, okay?
Yeah.
But then there's a lot of creativity that comes with it talaga. And I think I'm very lucky that, I'm naturally creative.
Yeah, I feel like from your
So-
kwento talaga,
Yeah.
parang creative ka talaga from on the onset, no?
Yes. I always say I'm a creative first before anything else.
Mhm.
And that's really, a part of my DNA na.
Oh, boss. Deserve mo malaman ang buong kwento niyan.
Huwag kang mag-alala. The full episode is now up on YouTube and Spotify.
Follow us on our social media pages for more updates. This is Benta Bosses by Quotable AI.